So today we are on our way to Simpson Falls. Now, last time I came here, we hadn't had rain for quite a number of weeks and there was no waterfall.
Cease to exist.
So, the last few days we've actually had quite a lot of rain. Liar! So it'll be interesting to see if there is any difference. And there is the bit of the creek. Looks pretty dry still. Maybe not enough water. Might just be a water, not a fall, not a waterfall. But we'll see.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Birds are happy this morning. The birds are chirping. Beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Good morning. What a pretty bird. There it is on that branch over there. Lovely.
Bye-bye.
And around we go. Oh, look at this. That is very cool. Like a vine, but it's like snaked up the tree. Very cool.
Very cool.
Ooh. Top of the morning to ya.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
Nice.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, we've now made it to the waterfall. Well, there's no fall in it. There is water. Yeah, last time I came here, there was no water at all in here. That was pretty dry. And down there, there was nothing either. Well, there you go. The last few days we've actually had quite a lot of rain. Liar! Oh! It's flowing a little bit. Hang on. Beautiful. There's the waterfall. A little trickle.
Oh, that's hot.
Righty, back to where we started. That was a good walk. 6.8k. That is well deserved.